Good morning everyone and welcome to Vinny's daily update on Bitcoin. I hope you're all doing very well as always and hope you have been able to fill some nice trades yesterday. We are still within this range, we still have to trade this range until it breaks. This is the only thing we have to do right now. We are just going to update the levels really. If we really have to break to the downside from here, we're going to cover this mainly today. The wave, nothing, no real big difference, still this big double EXY I'm looking for. And the levels, well, we still have some few levels, I think, to update, possibly here within this range. So we've got, for example, this nice bounce yesterday from the very bottom of the range that brings us now with this really lovely range really here, where you short the tops and long the bottoms really. This is absolutely crazy. This is pretty nice, and all of this, as always, is simply by reading the order flow. So anyway, now we are going to go on the lower time frame level chart here. We've got this nice bounce yesterday on this, as I said, so we can now remove all of these levels. Okay, we don't really care anymore. We're just gonna keep this TPO to see the possible flip to resistance, or if we have to break, to reclaim and flip to support. So for the moment, I'm gonna keep this, but otherwise we can simply go here on the daily time frame and we can go check if there is a new daily. There is no new daily level, as we don't have two consecutive candle close like this. So we can come back here on a bit of a lower time frame and we can simply go now on Exo charts. Exo charts, as always, the footprint chart and an order flow. It allows you to see what's going on behind the market, and here you can see the footprint chart, so to speak. You can get some levels that you have to update on a daily basis, weekly or monthly basis really. So here, first of all, we can see that we have a naked session path control at $970. So we can take this right here, by the way. I'm gonna unlock this, bam, NSPOC, and I said 51,970, so 51,970, perfect. We have only this one here. Good morning, mate. Good to see you here again. We have then a TPO at 51,610, so let's take this, bam. TPO 51,610, and then we have what? The NPOC around the TPO, by the way. It will be almost the same price. Yeah, just a bit above, so I'm not going to add this one. It's not really useful. And so we're good really now with this chart, so nothing more to update on this. Let me just, I'm gonna use it, put it like this. Well, the thing is here, we just need to try to be fair this fixed range. Okay, so you pull it from the very beginning of the range right here to the top we have done here, or if we have to reclaim, so to speak, for example, we have to make a push to the upside from here, you simply have to take the second click and place it on the bottom. Clearly we're going to do. The only thing you will need to do here is to trade at this value low with a swing for a pan here. That will be the first possible scalp short trade. Oops. Next, we have this path control, for example, here. So path control is the middle of the consolidation with, the naked session path control just a bit above, okay? And then if we manage to break this, well, we can look for the highs here to be taken, plus, the daily level, plus the value high, plus this top right here, all of this really. So swing fair pan, daily value high, and this top right here. If there is nothing in this, well, we're going to look simply for the top of the consolidation to be hit. And here it depends what data we have. Are we going to break through? Well, possibly. There is a big amount of volume here coming in, bigger than the previous top. It's possible that we're going to break through. Now we need, of course, some big positive delta too. Okay, this is something we want to see. If now we really break out, well, big volume plus big positive delta. Now even sometimes with this we can still get a failed auction or a swing through pan. Swing through pan I would say less likely, but failed auction, for example, you still get the breakout. Really, you get the breakout. You just spend some time above, and here, for example, you get a tons of longs coming in. Everything is getting absorbed, and so of course we come back down. Okay, but this was still a strong breakout. It depends on what we're going to do next. But normally, if you want to get a good breakout, well, bigger volume in the previous top and a big positive delta if we break to the upside, otherwise big negative delta, of course, to the downside. Now the thing is, that's cool, we're in the range, but now if we break through this range, if we have to break up or down, what can we expect next? What targets really? Well, first of all, I'm gonna cover above, okay, because I want to cover more next to the downside, spend some more time on this. So we are simply going to look for this value high level at 53,700. That will be the first target really if we have to break up. Now the thing is, if we have to break down from here, Well, I'm simply going to go on the higher time frame level chart, and we're simply going to look at the wave for retracement, okay? Because if you remember good here, we are more likely at the moment, this is the first configuration I have at the moment, is simply here a wave 4. So the wave 4, we have more chance to go between the 38.2 and the 50%. So we have more chance to go to speak around 48,000, okay? We have more chance to go there. The premise, the RSI is very low, as you can see here, for example, on the 4 hours, we already break the wave to bottom. The 8 hours is very low, the 12 hours is very low, so we don't have so much space here to drop. The only good time frame at the moment is a daily time frame where we have enough space to get a bit of a drop without breaking the wave to bottom. So this is just something I will be aware of, okay? Due to the RSI, we might not get this bigger drop where we have more chance to go. And by the way, why we have more chance to go here? Simply because the wave 2 was very small. We have done a 38-point retracement. That's class as small, really, for a wave 2. And so when you do a wave 2, a small wave 2, you expect, I mean, you have more chance. It's not that you expect, it's just that you have more chance to do a bigger wave 4, so to speak, to go into the green box. Now, it's all about probabilities. It's still possible to stop before. Stop, for example, here on the 23.16, MC fib 38.2, and not necessarily go between these, I mean, into the green box here. It's possible. It's just all about probabilities. So the thing is now, if we have to break to the downside, because we have more chance normally to break down, well, the first target here to be aware of is simply an SFP or an FA of the bottom, okay? You can pull, if you want to here, the fixed range from the very top to the very bottom here, and for example here you have this nice value high level that is coming a bit below, by the way. No, I'm not on the right time frame, that's the reason why. So here and right there. Perfect, much better now. So we have this first of all level here that is this value high. Okay, you can see here the fixed range value, fixed range value high here. This will be the first target really for a possible failed auction. Okay, for example here, or a big SFP, but an SFP as always, we just need to take the pre-slow and come back up directly with, you know, the good long data and everything. So we do not need to go and touch that value high. For example, here the first step really is simply to look for the 23.6, so to speak, here for this low to be taken. So we take a low, either swing through pan, either a failed auction. For people that are new maybe to this, swing through pan, as I said, you just take the pre-slow, come back up directly, close above the pre-slow, and you get the good long reaction you want to get on the order flow. This is a swing through pan. A failed auction is when you get acceptance below, you spend some time, that's why I'm placing this value at high level, you spend some time, you start forming something really bullish, for example, massive amount of shorts, everything get absorbed, unable to push more down here. These market order shorts are not able to bring the price back down really, because the market orders are moving the market. Everything is getting absorbed, so we can see this by the absorption, the CVD really on the order flow. So we want to see bullish CVD here, okay? And then in that case, we get the reclaim, we get, you know, the good long data, the good long reaction, the MC reaction, all of this really you can learn on the website. And from here we get and manage to get the reclaim really. So this will be if we have to take the low, okay, so it can be down to this value high and MC fib, so 31.32. If we manage to break this, we're simply going to look here for the 38.2 with the bottom right here, okay? So 38.2 monthly negative path control bottom right here. If we manage to break this, we'll have all the lows here to take, and so we can look for a long trade around there. So to speak, to make a bit of a summary, we can simply look for this first long trade, okay? If we have to break this to the downside, bam, right here, so to speak, starting from the bottom here down to the value high level for a possible big SFP or failed auction below. That will be the first possible long trade to look next for a new high to be made, you know, for the yellow wave 5. If we manage to break through this and get no swing through a pound of failed auction, bam, we just look for the or just go get a breakout, go into the MC fib and the value high really and come back up. If you don't manage to do this, well, 38.2, we can remove this in that case. 38.2 is a bottom right here and the monthly negative path control. We look next for a new high. Don't wait for the new high to be made to take profit, of course. And then if this is broken, there is no reason to long on this on the order flow. Then we look for the 50% with this nice swing through pan right here, so a bit above. So we have to speak 3 different long trades here to the downside. And I prefer to place the ones that are really high simply because of the RSI is already really low and we don't have so much space anymore to do the wafer and so to get a bit of a drop, to do a big drop really. Yeah, if we have to do this wafer. So yeah, this is a plan right now if we have to break down, and if we manage to break all of this, well, I'm going to update everything on the Discord server, so that's why make sure to join it so you can stay updated. And well, we're good. If we break up, we know the target. If we break down, we know the different targets, the different long trades. We just have to trade next everything based off the reaction on the order flow. This is an order flow, and you can see really what's going on behind the market, as I said earlier. And so you can make some more informed trading decisions and trade like this, for example. This can give some really, really good trades. So that's pretty cool. So the thing is now, with the waves, nothing crazy, as I said at the very beginning, still looking for this big and large WXY, okay, or ABC flat. I mean, there's no real big difference, to be fair, these days, this is the same. So either a 5 waves in there, either a triple wave, a bigger correction, well, no real big difference, to be honest. So yeah, still looking for this, nothing changed, and if we start to break through this wave 4 right here, 50% where we get acceptance below, we start to get, for example, a daily RSI invalidation here, where the wave 4 right here breaks the wave to bottom, where we just have to switch to the other configuration we have planned, so to speak here, this nice ABC flat, and so we look for a big impulsive or an ending here into the C wave, so that can bring us with a much more bigger move to the downside. Okay, that's why it's still good to get in short here, because, well, it's still possible to get this. It's not the main one because we went a bit too high, to be fair, but well, it's still okay. Anyways, yeah, before to look for the big C, we'll look for the wave 4 first of all, and we can still make something really small, as I say, due to the RSI. Anyway, that's it really for today. Nothing more to add on this, to be honest with you. What we can do here is maybe move on these stocks. Me saying more on these stocks. I'm never on this stock normally, but anyway. So NVDA will have a really nice long trade. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. Made 20% off my wall just with this trade. This is absolutely insane. With a long trade exactly from the MCFib. Really, if you want to get such trades, it's absolutely fair. You just have to join the Discord server and enjoy. That's it, really. Okay, you just have to join the Discord server, really. And you just have to enjoy the TAs. For example, I was updating, for example, here as you can see the wave 4. I said, hey, this is a wave 4 Bison, really. And we've got this nice quick move to the upside here with this nice NVDA long with next to take profits already. And now we let it run till high prices or stop loss entries hit. These are the targets really now. Okay, we've got so this 2618 maximum target here, you can see, so behind here. Maximum target of the wave 5. Now it's possible that we're going to go in an extension because the move up is really strong, not gonna lie. So if we go in an extension, well, these are the two targets we can look for next. We'll speak here the ping wave 3 targets. So here to speak the $872 up, and next last target really is at $945. These are the two next big targets, really resistance, and the next one is really coming around 1,000 really. Okay, around there. That's cool because that's a psychological level, and well, this is the main wave 3 target. That's pretty nice. But anyway, this is NVDA really. We're more likely into this blue wave 5 at the moment. CKB, well, again, I mean, if you just watch, check the updates really, this is the levels I'm sharing, everything really. Well, you can trade a market like this. This is absolutely insane. Again, the order flow on that one really, pay attention to the order flow. That one is really well respected. This is absolutely crazy. Posted something about this yesterday here if you want to go and check this out on the Discord server. Again, it's free. But yeah, these are some possible waves. Now, yeah, I'm gonna see. We'll see the reaction. Really, there is a possible reversal, but possible larger ABC zigzag or impulsive really to the upside here. We should be now in a wave 4, so normally it should be here. This is a Bison of the wave 4 really. So all of this, okay, so down to 0.0082 if we have to get another move to the downside. This one here, pretty nice too. I place it, I show you where are my limits and everything here. There is no any financial advice as always, paper trade. But you can see where are my limits really. You can see where are the best levels, what are the waves on this really volatile. I said, but as always these days I like to trade these because they're, well, these are impulsive, so these are pretty easy waves, and so you can make so much money with this. It's absolutely great. Of course, don't forget to use a risk management. This is extremely important. It's not because I'm saying this that you have to jump with 50% of your wallet account. Risk per trade, maximum of the maximum 2%. This is extremely important. Then the only thing you need to do is to get a good win rate really. Or even, by the way, if you don't get, you can still make money with a 2% risk because you made with some trades before with a lot less risk than 2%. But anyway, so yeah, we do have this stuff there, but don't trade these that they are high. We are normally more likely right now into a wave 4. We're into the Bison, so well, the plan's a plan, right? Updated have access on my site. I mean, I posted this on the Discord server. Rune also, Link, ING. I don't know what this one is doing right now. Well, we got a nice drop into the second target. That's pretty cool. First target, we've got a nice almost 10% increase in price, and well, we touch a level and we get a 5% increase in price. This is absolutely crazy. So that can be removed now, by the way. Just gonna keep these levels. Well, this is pretty cool. The levels and the yes HX, by the way, also that one. We've got this really nice from the bottom there. That was, I mean, really pay attention to the TAs here. You can make some really nice gains, like really nice gains. So it was here, you know, the wave 4 before to look for the wave 5 here, and we've got this nice push to the upside and this very nice continuation next. And next, this was the smaller waves again here, green square, bam, get paid like a few minutes later, by the way, or 20 minutes later, and you get this nice take profit 1 on the 618, and from here you get a nice pullback, as you can see here, from the 618. We take profit, bam, market reverse. This is pretty nice. That's pretty cool. So anyway, just go and check out on the Discord server. Really have many TAs on the outs that are getting really well respected. Just gonna double check something here with the order flow, and then we're good. If you don't have any questions, if you have some questions really on the plan or something, let me know in the chat. Otherwise, we're good. To really expect higher prices, I would like to reclaim that view up here, you know, plus the TPO level here. View up plus the TPO here, it will be cool to manage to reclaim if we really have to push higher. Sorry, the premise would have no real bullish reaction here, to be honest. Ah, we did took the lows once more. Okay. Nice. But yeah, there is no reason to long this. So the thing is, as always, when you have no reason to long this, well, in that case, if we still get the bounce, well, the thing is, you're going to next normally get a flip to support, and on the flip to support, you should get a good long data, in case you see reaction, everything that you can get on the website. And by the way, if you want to learn your waves, well, you've come to the right place, because in March, on the 4th of March, you will get a brand new Elliott wave course coming on the website, in the course section here, and you will be able to learn the first 4 courses for absolutely free, so almost half of the course, plus play a contest where you can, of course, get some rewards. You can just go into the membership account, your account page really, and you can get this nice calendar where you can see really when is what and what to expect really with this course. You don't have the titles of the course really. I want to keep this private until the course is revealed. But yeah, you have 10 courses at the end, and so you will be able to learn really many stuff for absolutely for already. That's pretty nice. You can even with just 4 courses you can start with the basics, even more than this, the impulsive, and you start also with the correction only with 4 courses. This is pretty cool, not gonna lie, and this is really complete. You have everything really. It's the same than for the apprentice next. And if you enjoy the course, well, you can sign up next as apprentice. It's up to you. But anyway, so yeah, I hope you're able to trade the range nicely. And yeah, good luck in your trades. No news normally today. It's on the 27th, the next one. Yes, so nothing today. So yeah, I wish you a brilliant day. Take care of you. And by the way, we are Friday today. Yes, so wait. Yes, we are. Yes, so have a nice weekend ahead. Take care of you and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.